Hey there, fellow homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Are you dealing with basement flooding issues? Tired of worrying every time it rains heavily? Or maybe you're planning to install a bathroom in your basement. Whatever your situation, having a reliable sewage pump is absolutely crucial for protecting your home from water damage and maintaining proper sanitation. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is right for your needs? What features should you look for? And most importantly, which brands deliver the best performance for your hard-earned money? In this comprehensive video, I've tested and reviewed the top 7 sewage pumps available today. I've put each one through rigorous testing in real-world conditions to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive in and discover which sewage pump deserves the title of the best. 7. VIVOHOME 1 HP Submersible Cast Iron Sewage Pump. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the VIVOHOME 1 HP Submersible Cast Iron Sewage Pump. This pump boasts a powerful 1 horsepower motor and claims to deliver a high flow rate of 5,220 gallons per hour with a maximum head of 24 feet. When I first unboxed it, I was impressed by its solid cast iron construction, which gives it a substantial feel and promises good heat dissipation during operation. During my testing, the VIVOHOME pump performed adequately for basic sewage handling tasks. It features a 2-inch NPT discharge and can handle solids up to 3/4 inch in size. The pump comes with a float switch for automatic operation, which is a convenient feature for those who don't want to worry about manual activation. I installed it in a test basin and found that it handled regular household wastewater without much trouble. However, I did notice some concerning issues during extended use. After running continuously for several hours, the pump began to make unusual noises that weren't present during initial operation. The thermal overload protection did kick in as advertised, but I found myself having to reset it more frequently than I would have liked. This raises questions about its long-term reliability, especially in situations where consistent performance is crucial. Another drawback I encountered was with the float switch mechanism. While it worked initially, it seemed somewhat finicky and occasionally required manual adjustment to trigger properly. 6. WASSERMANN 1/2 HP Sewage Pump. At number 6 on our list is the WASSERMANN 1/2 HP Sewage Pump. This submersible pump features a 1/2 horsepower motor and is designed for basement and residential applications. Upon initial inspection, I appreciated its compact design and relatively lightweight construction compared to some other models I've tested. The cast iron housing provides decent durability and heat dissipation properties. When I put it to work, the WASSERMANN pump demonstrated reasonable performance for its price point. It has a 2-inch discharge and can handle small solids, making it suitable for basic sewage applications in residential settings. The automatic float switch is a standard feature that worked as expected during my testing period, activating and deactivating the pump at appropriate water levels without requiring manual intervention. I found the installation process to be straightforward, with clear instructions provided in the package. The pump managed to clear water efficiently from my test basin under normal conditions, and the motor ran quietly during operation. For homeowners with occasional sewage pumping needs, this model could be a budget-friendly option worth considering. However, I did encounter some limitations during more demanding test scenarios. When I increased the volume and frequency of water flow, the pump struggled to keep up compared to higher-rated models. I also noticed that after several cycles of operation, the motor seemed to run hotter than I would prefer, which raises concerns about its durability during extended use or in emergency situations where continuous operation might be necessary. 5. Westinghouse 1/2 HP Submersible Sewage Sump. Moving up to number 5, we have the Westinghouse 1/2 HP Submersible Sewage Sump. This pump immediately impressed me with its robust cast iron construction and professional-grade appearance. Westinghouse has a strong reputation in the electrical equipment industry, and this pump certainly lives up to the brand's standards of quality. During my testing, the Westinghouse pump demonstrated excellent performance capabilities with a maximum flow rate of 6,500 gallons per hour and an 18-foot maximum lift. This translates to approximately 108 gallons per minute at maximum flow operation, which is impressive for a 1/2 HP model. The pump handled my test scenarios efficiently, clearing water quickly and consistently without signs of strain. One of the standout features of this pump is its non-clog vortex impeller, which can handle solids up to 2 inches in size. This is a significant advantage over lower-ranked pumps that can only manage smaller solids. In my testing, it processed various materials without clogging, which is crucial for a sewage pump's reliability. The piggyback vertical float switch operated smoothly and consistently, providing reliable automatic operation. The Westinghouse pump also includes thoughtful design elements like a 2-inch quick connect fitting that eliminates the need for PVC primer, glue, or plumber's tape, making installation significantly easier for DIY homeowners. I found this feature particularly helpful during my test setup, as it saved time and reduced the potential for leaks or improper connections. 4. 1 HP Sewage Grinder Pump. At number 4, we have the 1 HP Sewage Grinder Pump, which takes sewage handling to the next level with its specialized grinding capabilities. This pump features a powerful 1-horsepower motor and a stainless steel cutting mechanism designed to process challenging materials that would clog standard sewage pumps. When I unpacked this unit, I was immediately impressed by its substantial build quality and professional-grade components. During my testing, this grinder pump demonstrated exceptional performance in handling difficult materials. Unlike standard sewage pumps that can only pass solids, this model actively grinds common flushable items like toilet paper, paper towels, feminine hygiene products, and baby wipes into a fine slurry that can be easily pumped through discharge lines. This capability makes it particularly valuable for installations where clogging has been a recurring problem. The pump transfers effluent at up to 48 gallons per minute, which is somewhat lower than non-grinder models, but entirely reasonable given its specialized function. In my test basin, it processed challenging materials efficiently without jamming or requiring intervention. The automatic operation worked flawlessly, with the pump activating and deactivating at appropriate water levels without any issues. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The pump's design accommodates standard plumbing connections, making it compatible with existing systems in most homes. During operation, I noticed that while it was somewhat louder than non-grinder models, the noise level was still acceptable for a basement installation and reflected the powerful grinding action taking place. 3. Superior Pump 93501. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the Superior Pump 93501, a 1/2 HP cast iron sewage pump that offers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and value. When I first handled this pump, I was impressed by its solid construction and attention to detail. The heavy-duty cast iron housing and base provide excellent heat dissipation, which is crucial for extending the pump's operational life. In my performance testing, the Superior Pump 93501 delivered impressive results with a maximum flow rate of 4,800 gallons per hour at 0 feet of head, and it maintained strong performance even at higher elevations with 3,600 GPH at 10 feet. The pump features a bottom suction design and can handle solids up to 2 inches in size, which is ideal for typical sewage applications. During my tests, it processed various materials without clogging or hesitation. The 1/2 HP split capacitor motor draws only 7.6 amps, making it energy efficient while still providing plenty of power for demanding applications. I appreciated the continuous duty design, which allows the pump to run for extended periods without overheating. The thermal protection system worked flawlessly during my stress testing, automatically shutting down when necessary and restarting once safe operating temperatures were restored. The Superior Pump 93501 comes with a piggyback tether float switch that provides reliable automatic operation. I found the switch to be well designed and consistent in its activation points, with the pump turning on at approximately 14 inches and off at 6 inches. 2. Superior Pump 93020. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Superior Pump 93020, which builds on the excellent foundation of the 93501 model but adds several enhancements that elevate its performance and usability. This 1/2 HP cast iron sewage pump impressed me with its thoughtful design and robust construction quality that suggests long-term reliability. During my testing, the Superior Pump 93020 demonstrated outstanding performance characteristics similar to the 93501, with a maximum flow rate of 4,800 gallons per hour at 0 feet and strong performance at elevation. The key difference is the improved float switch system, which uses a vertical design rather than a tether arrangement. I found this vertical float switch to be more reliable and less prone to tangling or improper activation, which is a significant advantage in real-world applications. The pump's cast iron construction provides excellent durability and heat dissipation, while the thermally protected 1/2 HP split capacitor motor runs efficiently and quietly. During extended operation tests, the motor maintained consistent performance without overheating issues, even when processing challenging materials. The bottom suction design and ability to handle 2-inch solids make this pump versatile for various sewage applications. Installation of the 93020 was straightforward, with clear connection points and a design that integrates well with standard plumbing components. The vertical float switch design also makes this pump suitable for installation in smaller basins, providing more flexibility in system design. During operation, the pump ran smoothly with minimal vibration and acceptable noise levels, which is important for residential installations where the pump may be located near living spaces. 1. Little Giant 9SC RF. Taking the crown as our number 1 pick is the Little Giant 9SC RF, a 4/10 HP sewage pump that demonstrates why Little Giant has earned its reputation for excellence in the pump industry. Despite having slightly lower horsepower than some competitors, this pump's intelligent design and superior engineering make it the standout performer in our testing. From the moment I unpacked the Little Giant 9SC RF, the quality was evident. The epoxy-coated cast iron construction provides excellent durability while protecting against corrosion, which is crucial in sewage applications. The pump has a substantial feel without being unnecessarily heavy, weighing in at a manageable 28.2 pounds. The attention to detail in the construction is immediately apparent, with high-quality materials used throughout. In performance testing, this pump was simply outstanding. It delivers a maximum flow rate of 100 gallons per minute, 6,000 GPH, and can maintain strong performance up to a maximum head of 20 feet. During my tests, it handled various materials with ease, processing 2-inch solids without hesitation thanks to its efficient non-clog design. The pump operated smoothly and quietly, with minimal vibration even during extended operation. The Little Giant 9SC RF features a PSC, permanent split capacitor, motor that provides reliable, energy-efficient operation. The thermal overload protection worked flawlessly in my stress tests, automatically resetting after cooling without requiring manual intervention. I was particularly impressed by the motor's consistent performance across various operating conditions, maintaining strong output even when processing challenging materials. Final thought. So there you have it, our comprehensive review of the top 7 sewage pumps on the market today. Remember that choosing the right pump for your specific needs is crucial for long-term satisfaction and protection of your property. Consider factors like required flow rate, solids handling capability, and installation requirements when making your decision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you find the perfect sewage pump for your home.